say that Indian Super League, I think that they work very well. They have a very good website and very good way to talk about the league. But it's true that they don't allow, or they never are getting the news about referees. When we say that we are exhausted of bad refereeing, they just talk about another kind of things and never talk about referees. So I expect that you belong to another media, can talk with freedom about referees and can express what I'm going to express now. Because for me it's important to have freedom expression. There is nothing to hide. So I think that Indian Super League, it's working hard, 10 years of football in India, and I think that the football in India is improving. We can see the kind of players. I was working in 2016 with players that they were in the national team, and you can see their body typology, you can see the technique, the tactic. They were worse players than the ones that are now in the national team. So it's only one example about how the football have been improving in the last decade. Indian Super League is very good for Indian football. But at the same time, it's improving in a lot of areas, but not in refereeing. Refereeing is a big issue. For me, honestly, this season has been over any other situation. There is like a line, and we have crossed the line. Because when their decisions are affecting the result of a game, then we are in a big problem. And it has been happening for us in the last 5 games, 3 times. What I mean with that? I mean that when you arrive to the last moments of a match, one decision can change definitely the result of the match. And it has been happening to us that in the game against Odisha, here at home, 0-0, there was 2 penalties, not 1, 2, in the extra time, and the referee didn't concede it, so we lost 2 points. Here also against Mohun Bagan, in the 87th minute, there was a very clear fault to Nanda in our own box. Referee say play on, and it finished in a goal, so again we lost 2 points. And the last match, there was action that is never fall. We have 4 players against 1 opponent player protecting our situation. We have win that space of the pitch, so it's nothing going to happen. And that fall is never a fall, so it means that we lost 1 point. It means 5 points only in the last 5 rounds. So it means that with these 5 points, we will be in the playoff. So answering your question, you can see that 5 players were an industry that we cannot talk. Is that no? We have to watch to another side and say, bravo, bravo, you are human, you can do mistakes, bravo, bravo. No, because if I do mistakes, I am in Barcelona with no work, you know? And if a player do mistakes, also. So referees, they are doing mistakes. We have to change the system. It's very clear. It's very clear. We have to change the system. And maybe it's a question of who is in the top of the system. I don't know. You know who is in the top of the system. You know that is Trevor Kettle. You know. You know that he's now directing that. So if you look for his name in.
FSDL is the top of the system, no? FSDL is
Okay, but I mean the coach. I am the coach of East Bengal. The coach of the referees is Trevor Kettle. He was a former referee in English football. If you look for him in internet, you will discover a lot of things that explain why is happening that in Indian football. That referee was able to stop an action when the ball already was kicked by the player inside of the box, very close to the penalty point. So it's a ball that 100% is going to be goal. And once the player has kicked, he whistled the end of the half time. So it shows no respect for the game. It shows no respect for the work of the players. If you want to be the protagonist and stop the game in this action, it means a lot of things. Don't say to me, no, 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 it's the legal time, I cannot give one more second. It's not true. It's not true. You have to manage the game for the best of the supporters, of the people watching the game, and for the partiality. If it's going to be a good action, and the action is almost ready to finish, you cannot whistle that goal. I invite all of you to watch that on YouTube. You will find it. It's crazy. It's crazy. If this person is in the top of the system, what he can say to the referees that are down? I understand that Raul Kumar, 7 guards. It's crazy. It's crazy.